Now let's go for a insecticide and pesticide. We use Gochana. We use it to has 3% to 8% solution, means 100 liter water, 3 liter to 8 liter, because we keep it as a defensive mechanism. So we keep it before an insect's attack. But even an insect already sprayed it, so we then make the concentration high, because insecticides and pesticides are poisons. We don't want other small birds or butterflies who comes to our farm, our garden, they shouldn't die. So it's a defensive mechanism. But even if they comes, they eat, they feel irritated, they leave, they don't die. So, and natural insect and pest do not want to eat something where they are feeling irritated, it's poisonous for them, maybe in a very lesser quality, at least they don't give their eggs, lay their eggs there. So, but if it's already spread, so then in that case scenario we use with concentration, we make it a little high, up to 8% to use it. How to make it at home? So basically we take neem leaves juice form, almost 2 kilos of neem leaves, neem soap 100 grams, and any toxic fruit like dhatura in juice form 2 kilos of it, and cow urine 5 liter. We mix them well and we spray it. Basically what happens, neem leaves is antifungal, it's kill the viruses. Neem soap, basically soap is basically very good. It makes a slippery layer on the fruits and leaves. So basically what happens, even you give water, sprinkle water, the insects and pesticide doesn't wash away. And also insects and pests that cannot lay eggs on that surface because they die. And the toxic fruits like dhatura, if you use that juice, so what happens, it is like more of a poison, and it's a very good poison. You can replace this fruit with the local fruits of your area and make the same thing. It's not that you have to use only that fruit. So this is how you make it, and you spray it. It kills all the germs and insects and pests. It saves your fruits, and it's a very good antifungal also. So it helps your farm to grow well. So if that was one type of insects, but you can use some other types also, like you can use neem oil, you can use essential oils, you can spray garlic spray, and maybe mustard oil you can spray, you can use insecticidal soap. These are the all other different ways you can use. For example, you cannot make Gochan right now, you can make garlic spray. So basically make a paste of garlic and make a solution with water and spray it, or maybe with mustard oil, or maybe you can mix both of them, garlic spray and mustard oil. But basically what you should do every time, you should change it, or you can make a combination of it. For example, a little of mustard oil with garlic spray, with garlic, and a little of soap, insecticidal soap, or maybe neem soap. You can make permutation and combination you can do with them, and make beautiful insecticide and pesticides out of them, and they work very good. You just try them, they're really good. So you can also use glue pads. They're sticky pads, they are colorful pads. Those, they attract the insects and pests, and they got stuck in that glue pad and they die eventually. So that is also a very good protection for the plants. And you can also use pheromone traps. Sex pheromone capsules are available. So basically normally we do it area based area. For example, in your area there is a different type of insects which is killing your fruits, or you are making huge loss in production. So that kind of pheromone sex pheromone capsule you use. So they basically it's a sex hormone. So they attract the opposite in type of opposite gender insects or pests. So and they got trapped in that and they died. So that make your little free, insect free. So these are the ways you can use for the protection of your plant. Like you are making it fertile, then you gave the fertilizers for nitrogen, phosphorus, potash. You maintain the pH, and you give a proper insecticide, pesticide, and do some protection for the plants. All of them together makes a beautiful farm of yours. And these are the things I brought to in front of you, and they all are tested. They are tested with thousands of people. Almost 15,000 people were trained with this, and they have applied in their field, and it's a very successful. I think if you apply it, it will be very helpful for you also. And you can download the free book from the link. And I hope that it was helpful for you, and you can go through the book to learn more, and we'll come back again with new videos to teach more ways of farming, like crop multiplication, vertical farming, and different other type of mixed farming with permaculture and other things will come one after another. And you can also become a subscribe our digital magazine, Mother Nature magazine. I already spoken about it. Right now it's a pre-launch offer, so you are getting almost 70% discount. Only $5.4 right now. So you can book your 1 year copy. Basically, so for 1 year it's $5.4. So you can book it. Basically, Mother Nature magazine is all about protection and conservation of our nature, with nature global news about nature conservation, about climate change, what are the things we should do, what is our duty to conserve our nature and preserve our nature, to work for the nature, and about natural farming, our organic farming, mixed farming, permaculture, those methods which saves the earth. We go through that will also become, you will like it, I guess, because you are watching this video for so long. I'm sure you will like that also. So you can subscribe that from www.empowercause.com. You can go there and do it, download, subscribe it. So I've written the website's name, the email ID. You can contact me through the email address. If you have any problem, I would love to answer your problems, and or any help you will be needed. I will come up with new videos, and I'm sure you will have a very good farming experience with all of this, and this video will help you there. And thank you so much for listening patiently, and I wish that we will be working together, maybe wherever we are, to help the nature, to serve our nature. Have a good day. Thank you so much. Bye.